So in today's video, I'm going to show if you can go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers, okay? And yes, but there is a trick to it. And here is how you can unlock TikTok live even if you don't have 1K followers yet. First, open your TikTok app and go to your profile. After that, tap the three lines in the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down until you see Report a Problem. And tap it, and under Live, click Hosting Live. Now click on Other Hosting Live Issues, then tap No. When it asks if you need more help, click it, and it will open a box where you can submit a request manually. In the message box, type this: "Hello TikTok team, I'd like to request access to the live feature." If this video helped, drop a like and follow Learn Mode Lab for more TikTok tips.